my name is jtzoc, and this is my 15112 project, Simple Structural Analysis. As you can see, we have a bunch of buttons on the sidebar here. We have the positive coordinates for the y and x direction, as well as the positive moment about the z-axis. We also have the workspace and we also, above that, we have a unit length for each direction in x and y, which is 10 feet. This is permanent for the program to make equations much more easy. And we also have an equation box that students can use to check their work. So this program is essentially based off of a lot of structural analysis programs on the market today. However, it's much more simplified, so beginners have a better understanding of what structural analysis is, and I guess as a easier flow into structural engineering. So let's start. Create an element by clicking this button, which is highlighted, and this goes on for essentially all buttons, and we can create an element by selecting two nodes. Let's start making a cantilever. And click this, and then create a fixed end constraint. We can also apply loads by clicking this button and entering the load we want. Default units for this is pounds. Apply a load here by clicking the node where we want to apply the load, and then click any point in one of the cardinal directions to define the verticality as well as direction. Let's say I want it to go up. If we click the solve button, it will solve for this problem and give you the reaction forces at the constraints. Let's say I wanted to also add a moment into this. I can press the create moment button, enter the load I want, which is in pounds per foot or pounds times feet. And when I click a node, it gives you a little diagram of which point corresponds to which rotation. Let's say I want a counterclockwise rotation. I can click this node or this node. I'll click this one. And there we go. We have a concentrated moment. We can solve again and get the updated reaction forces at this point. Let's say I didn't want to work with a cantilever and want to work on a simply supported beam instead. I can simply press reset, create another element, and oops, I pressed fixed end. Well, this can be easily rectified by either clicking pin or roller or pressing the clear selection button. Click a pin, the roller here, and I can apply load here with magnitude 56 pounds. Let's say this is the inappropriate force I wanted there. Let's say I wanted 100 pounds instead. I can simply create another point load and just add 44 to this, and now I have 100 pounds. See, I fixed it. The program is also smart enough to figure out infrastructure is unstable, as well as determining if it's indeterminate, which is not within the capabilities of the program. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for your time.